Hello people, Rick M here. I have another toolbox tour for you. This is a 2022 update. So we'll start with the top. It's messy, sorry. One thing I did add is a notebook from last time to keep track of what I do to cars and when. That way I don't have to remember anything. But this is mainly where all the crap goes and collection. And here I have shrink tube from Harbor Freight. OBD scan tool, zip ties, just miscellaneous crap. A TPMS tool, which I've done a video on. When I've had to use it, it does work pretty well. This is an engraver for marking your tools. First drawer, wrenches. Harbor Freight set, Advance, AutoZone, and most of these are ratcheting wrenches from Husky and Gear Wrench and Tecton. Never know what you need. This is a screwdriver drawer. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. I'd like to get a better set, but for now this will work. I also have the drawers labeled, so if I have someone helping me, it's easier to see the drawer. Pliers. These I have yet to use, but I want to use them because I want to do some exhaust work one day to see how they really work. And I have the socket drawer. Now this is just 1/2 inch 3/8, or 1/4 inch and 3/8 for the most part, right here. These are Astro swivel sockets. They're really good. These are Harbor Freight ones. These are, I was doing a Subaru, I think, one day, and they just came apart on me. The spring, that's a spring right there. I tried to put it back on a couple times, but it just kept flying off, so I don't use them. I use these instead. Here, Allen tools. There's more Allen tools. These were on sale. They were missing one from Harbor Freight, so I just got it, you know. I don't put a lot of Harbor Freight stuff, a lot of faith in Harbor Freight stuff, so. These are E-Torques. This is a Harbor Freight 3/8 flex head rat. No, that's 1/4 inch. No, that's 3/8. I want to get a 1/4 inch flex head ratchet. And this is a old pressure switch socket for GMs. I've used that a couple times actually, so I just went ahead and bought one. And they leak. They're stupid. 3/8 long short impact and 1/2 inch long short impact, and some miscellaneous back here. Axle nut sockets, torque sticks, a little 3/8 extension, because you don't need the 3/8, sometimes you just need a little bitty space. And let's see, this is cotter pins, tire repair kit, O2 sensor kit, 1/2 inch torque wrench. Also got a tool cart now, and that's a 1/2 inch torque wrench too. This one goes up to 150. This one goes up to 250, and it's a digital. Doesn't have a beep, but you change it digitally. Sorry about the cricket. These are impact driver tools if you need them. Axle nuts take up space for putting the brake something on. Oh, electric ratchet, battery powered, a 3/8 impact underneath the Craftsman there. That's how it's supposed to be in here, but I have to put it back in. Electric tools. This is from Walmart. These are the Hart brand, which is also made by TCI, which also makes Milwaukee. Here's a Dremel kit. I have a Dremel somewhere. All the air tools. That Craftsman's a piece of crap. Everything else is okay. I got this for pulling off hubs or pushing in axles. Yep, didn't want to come loose after getting beat with a hammer. I got an air hammer somewhere in here. Can't beat these nanos. It's in there somewhere. Right there, cat. Right there. It's a hard IR. English all around. Junk drawer number 1. A little bit of everything in there. Air fittings, tape, wire brushes for drills, batteries. Whatever you need, you got it. Multimeter, wire stuff. Never know what you need. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Battery terminal cleaner. And I think this is a torch. Yeah. Yep. So, another junk drawer. Punches, chisels, AC thermometer. What's the temperature right now? About 74. Whatever you think you may need, get it. More junk. A little bit of everything in here. This is for the coax cable. Because I had to fix that a couple weeks ago. Sawzall, more bits. Dremel style bit. All kinds of goodies in there. And that's it. Of course, you got the Astro lights, and I had this too. Big fan from Harbor Freight. And also my shelf of chemicals. Got brake clean, fluid film, torch, liquid wrench, penetrating oil, PP blaster, Croil, AC refrigerant. I just have the 134A, not the new stuff. Charging station, and of course, the heart of any good shop. Garage. Air compressor. All right, that's it. Have a good one.